Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports Kamalambunga Nkosi. Thembe uthini kahle, niyaphila. Danko, Kaizer Chiefs ivele yenza njalo. It won by 2-0. Goals scored by Tashreeq Morris and Mfundo Vilakazi. Both players came from the bench and they were inspirational for Kaizer Chiefs to get that CAF Confederation, CAF sport. Yeah, gonna look. But the good thing is that I was so happy when Morris acquired his first goal at Chiefs. Even though we might not know what his future will be, but this goal means a lot to a player like Morris. Especially in a game where all hope was lost, because to be honest, I didn't even think the Kaizer Chiefs might win this game. I thought, okay, it's a goalless draw, but Morris was like, umuntu akalahlwa. And of course, umuntu akalahlwa. Even Mfundo Vilakazi, he was inspirational. He managed to change a game for Kaizer Chiefs, especially in the attacking point of view for Kaizer Chiefs. The subs were good because before the penalty, it was a pass from Frosler to Chisleti to Vilakazi. Vilakazi ke minus indoda laphana wangena eboxini, and I was sitting on the edge of the seat. I was like, ngiyacela mfethu ngicela ungashayi, because I know ukuthi decision making yamkhahlela, but he was composed, waiting until he saw Lilipo. He slid that pass to him, kanti hayi defender le Sekhukhune United limstelile but penalty. Uref wathi no mfethu igoli ukorile but retake the penalty. I was like, yo, angale cage. Wakora foot. But the important thing is that Kaizer Chiefs managed to qualify for a CAF Confederation for next season. It simply means that now it's up to the management with what will they decide, particularly the co-coaches and the players. Who are they releasing? Who will they sign? Because they will need to bolster their squad. But to be honest, I'd say with Kaizer Chiefs, when they play, especially in a game where you see they are dominating in terms of ball position, in terms of chances created, in terms of corners, that's where they are not that clinical in front of goal. Especially after the first half chance got by Pulemodi, and that one, Egaserin, I was like, yeah, it's going to be a long walk to freedom here. But the good thing, our co-coaches had, at least they would say they had a plan because they won. To be honest, I thought when they were subbing on Morris, I thought they are sabotaging Morris to seem as if they are giving him a chance and he's not grabbing it. But he managed to score, and it was an important goal for Kaizer Chiefs. It made them to feel like, okay, let us keep on attacking, because we see now they are cracking. They will want to go up so that they can score, and then they get opened up at the back. So from the first half, you could tell the way team is in a corner, seeing Ungobo, Umthethwa, and Userino, you could tell okay, here we're gonna rely on its technical ability Ngobo and Userino going forward, and would rely on Ox so that he can protect the back four. But I was surprised because in the first half, it was Ox that was playing more of a box-to-box, number 8. Nkosimphiwe Ngcobo was playing as a deep-lying playmaker because he was deep. I believe it was because they had this game plan of wanting to build from the back, because they knew Ox doesn't have that capacity to be able to as a collector and then make the team play. But they've decided when machine was a collector, it's either zolniga yena Ox or real spread will touch niga umunyan or niga umakati, so that we go forward, user in our flanks. So that's what I saw. Okay, kahle today Ox indaba yokuthi uzoloka at differential, but he was there in important part whereby he was winning the ball back, give it to Mshini, and then umshini will give it to Sereno, and the team transitions, they go forward. And u-Ox angazi ukuthi lesikhathi beyangadlali beyapractice ukuthena, because today bekazithenela with ease futhi as if akusumuntu bekastruggle with turning. So it's all about ukuthi give a player a benefit of the doubt. They might surprise you, because we could see him angazi ama-forward passes bekawashaya, even stretching the field going wide, but ukuthi uyaliqinisa inyawo. That's why uModi no Munyane, they were failing to deal with ama-ball bewaletha u-Ox in terms of ukuthi bawa control. But he had a good game. He nearly had a secondary assist, but uModi was like, not today. So it's all about that. In a team like Kaizer Chiefs, we know most of the players are not quality players. Some are decent players, some are average players. But it's all about how do you work together in order for you to get the best out of each other as a team. Because when they pay him with Ox, we know very well what will we expect. What to expect. In that middle of the park, I'd say Iskhukhu United weren't troubling Kaizer Chiefs, because we always worry about they will be there trying to win a second post. But today they were not there, because Ox and Ungcobo, they had it under control. Ungkulapa no Kiba, they were finding it difficult, because Iskhukhu Nabo, their game plan didn't come to life, because they wanted to use a transition whereby they would use Upright Ndlovu as their out-and-out strike, use him as an outlet, but he was always isolated. That's why it was even easier for Msimango to deal with him. But for Kaizer Chiefs, you could tell from the first whistle they wanted to use diagonal balls. And where they see it's difficult for them to do that, they'll try to combine, especially in that chance that they created, Laumodi Amisekon. It's because Usilva dropped deep, took the ball and passed to Lilepo in a space there. Lilepo washaya pass. And obviously the defenders anticipated Kutuzol Shire in front of them, but Walshire behind. So it simply means they have to change the direction now, which made it possible for Chiefs they might score. But Ulemode missed the target. And then you could tell Uguti in this game, Kaizer Chiefs wanted to win, but they didn't get their things right, because I believe it's precision and rushing things. Not rushing, but taking time to release the ball. Because sometimes I believe with Chiefs, once they get to share the ball, often they will get goals. Because there's a play whereby you need to play a 1-2. A player would want to hold on the ball. The defenders, they get to recover and then they close the gaps. There's no space whereby you could attack. That's what I believe with the Kaizer Chiefs. Sometimes they let down and they get too excited when things go their way. But today they showed that resilience. Okay, we see the conditions are not favoring us, but we'll soldier on. Next. But Batul. And speaking of Ulilepo, as I've said, Ulilepo is a player that he only needs just one day, one moment, and then he makes you forget about all the wrongs he was doing throughout the whole match. That assist to Morris. And you could tell today he was in form, because he was visible today. Ku left ukhona, ku right ukhona, makumela ngene central ukhona. And one thing about him, those runs that he keeps on making are the ones that make him dangerous. It's just thinking iqala masafuna ukuba selfish. Maseka yenza izinto without thinking. Angeke uthi bakuphasa ibhola, you turn right in front of your opponent, inside your own half. You want to attempt to step over while their teammates whereby they are lacking, you could give them the ball and then you run into space. So you see is those little details that you need to pay attention to. You get a player like Umshini. Umshini, one thing about him that I like is that he always thinks about going forward. Whenever he receives the ball, he scans, look left, look right, and then sees that, okay, Mori is on his bike, forward pass. Uyascan, uyabheka, Lilip, pass, Serene. It's all about that. But if he goes high up in advanced position, makabona ipalo uyakhahlela. It's all about ukuthi into emkhawathayo ukuthi i-game time ibuye imshaye. But yena ibhola likhona uyalazi. I don't know ukuthi kumele kwenziweni up until simbona adlala consistently. And today I was surprised. Udlala full match. First time mbona adlala full match. Second half, the coaches made changes. I thought ukuthi it will break structure se-Chiefs, but it didn't. Ucele ungenile. It was like ukuthi instead of ukuthi Chiefs slow it down the momentum, it increased the momentum. Udlale kahle kakhulu ucele. Angaluza amabhola, controlling the middle field, making sure that if ever there's an opportunity for him to go high up, he goes so that he leaves Ungcobo la at the back. And you could tell from the back four ukuthi nabo they were helping out ukuthi bangabe exposed kuma counter attacks. Sikhukhune Abdov ama-players yafaka ama-player abomujela abomahalo, but they were not that visible because the defense was organized. Unchebe registered his 14th clean sheet of the season. So it simply means ukuthi ubalekile ke kulabo abasele abayi-3. Mori today they are off, but there are moments whereby ukuthi bowubona ukuthi he wants to attempt something but he was failing. Ufuna ukukhatha in bavele bamuthi body weight awelele. Flavio Silva didn't score, but you could see ukuthi he wanted ukuthi team idlale because he was dropping, collecting amabhola, helping out, defending ama corners. So it's that kind of equation you need in a club. Hoping what we are building for next season. Mfundo Vilakazi, we know him ukuthi he is a player that knows the ball, but the decision he mkhawatha, especially not him alone, but most of our players with Chiefs ama forward when they reach the final third ayangathi ziyacima ibana abomodi abolilipo vele nje icime. Those are things we need to work on. Simango had a solid shift again. Eden McCart angazi cross nyomncoma kuze kube nini, but that left back position, and second half I saw him playing more advanced because they were searching for that goal. And the introduction of Frosden now added to Chiefs because he was making those runs behind the defense of Sekhukhune United. Him and Lilipo were trying by all means to play those 1-2s in order to papa bambe off guard, bafaka ama cutback. So I say Guti, it was a game that I won't say Guti, it was filled with the entertainment part. What is important is that the team won. That's what is important. Because if it wasn't for that goal from Morris, our ball position couldn't matter. Our chances created. 3 points in the back, Confederation spot confirmed. Now we are playing to honor the fixtures. Maybe we could also increase the tally from 51 to 57. Kuyobonakala kona seqoqo. At least isifikile ku-50. Oh, kunini. Besiku 4 games streak whereby there's no win.